If you're given a slope and a point that is not the y-intercept, we would want to use point-slope form. Now, point-slope form looks like this. It might be less familiar to you, but you might have also seen it in Algebra 1 or in geometry. Point-slope form gives us y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1 in parentheses. Now, the first y and the first x are going to stay y and x. The y1 and x1 are the point, the x and y points, or the x and y coordinates of a point that we're given. And m is our slope. Now, the goal of any equation that's written in point-slope form is to get the equation into slope-intercept form, which is y equals mx plus b. So this is our end goal, y equals mx plus b. So imagine we're writing the equation of a line that passes through the point 5, 4 and has a slope of negative 3. Well, we know the slope m is negative 3. We don't know the y-intercept. We're not told that. We're told a random point 5, 4 that is also on the line. In order to find the solution, we use point-slope form. And that's y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. Right. I define x1 as the x value of my point, and y1 as the y value of my point. M is, of course, negative 3, so I can plug all of my numbers in, and that is my next step. I want to substitute. So I substitute y minus y1 is 4, y minus 4 equals m is negative 3, times x minus x1, and x1 is 5. So I substitute it in, and I get y minus 4 equals negative 3 times x minus 5 in parentheses. My next step would be to distribute. I need to distribute the negative 3, so that's the next thing I'm going to do. I'm going to distribute negative 3 to both x and negative 5. So I have y minus 4, which didn't change. Negative 3 times x is negative 3x. Negative 3 times negative 5 is positive 15. Last step, the last thing that I want to do here is to solve for y. I need this y to be alone. My goal is to get this into y equals mx plus b form. That means y has to be by itself, so I need to add 4 to solve for y. When I do that, negative 4 and positive 4 cancel out, and I'm left with y. On the other side, I've got negative 3x. Doesn't change. 15 plus 4 is 19. So my equation for this line is y equals negative 3x plus 19.